Hey guys, long time no see. So today I want to show you how you can tie simple head wrap as a busy mom. If you're going to work or use on a goat for an errand, you need something simple to just tie. So this wrap is for you. Now you want to grab your JC scarf. You can use any scarf of your choice, but I think scarf is gonna be okay. Like JC scarf is gonna be cool for this. Fold the scarf into two, not too equal, like this. So it should have something like this. So you place it on your head, Abi, you put it on your head. One hand is gonna be longer than the other one. This is short and this is long. So you want to tie a knot at the back. So after tying knots, you put this one, you put it inside because we don't want to be seeing it outside, okay? You tuck it in. You see? If you don't get it, you can rewatch again. You tuck it in. Now, if you have something like this, this is what we're working with. Can you see? You want to do something like this, and you place it on your head. Of course. Like this. I hope you getting me. So it's okay. So the remaining one, you do something like this. You tuck it in. I hope you understand. It's so simple. Very simple. Can you see? Easy peasy. Abi? If I'm correct. So you see that? Very easy. Very simple. And you have your beautiful head wrap. Alright? So let me turn. See? Yeah. So let's move to the next one. You fold it like this. So you should have something like this left. Do you understand? Then you take it to the back. You like this. You tie a knot. So after tying knots on the back, you adjust this to the back. You adjust your scarf to the back. You bring this to the front. Can you see? Like this. Ah. You bring it to the front like this. Can you see that I did not straight my hand like this? So make sure your hand is going inside like this. I don't know, but I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. So you do the same thing, you bring it like this, you bring it like this, like this, like this. Then you twist it. After twisting, you take it to the back and you tuck it in. And you adjust your scarf. So make sure you adjust it, tuck some parting, make it neat. So this is what we have. Very simple, easy, doesn't waste your time at all. Can you see? Very good, very demure. I love this stuff. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, drop a nice comment, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.